Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So I'm very excited to talk about this particular stock because ticker symbol HUSA was up by 494% today. And you can think I'm making this video when it ran like a monster, but no, like we talked about it this weekend, right? So in my last video, I talked about this particular one and it was only 1.68 that time, and now see it is almost 11.3, a massive day. So whoever played this particular one made some money. Let me know in the comment section, and congratulations. So in this particular video I want to talk about the support resistance. What is going on? Is it over or can it go like another 100%, 200%? So we will all talk. So let me know your thoughts, and also like this particular video, subscribe my channel, and also join my community. We have a Patreon community. It costs only a little. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description. Become a patron, get access to my Discord so that you can get my early alert in the morning. You can see we came up with our alert, we went live, and see what happened. End of the day, this particular one is up by 224%. We entered late at 3.3 after the market opened, but it is like 200% up. Indo 100%, IM, PPCI, you can see all the big names, and for everything we did massive day. So one of the day we made a lot of money. So if you look at ticker symbol HUSA, you can see that since the pre-market, this thing actually up almost like wow, 600, 900%, right? So it went all the way to 14, 1 point, came down to 11. But if you see from the pre-market to the high of day, almost 600%. So we are going to talk and why it moved that much. So we know that energy sectors are very hot. That is why in my last video I was talking about the big names here, and you can see all of them actually popped today. All of them actually popped today, and they moved a lot. So that is why we're targeting, even though the market was red, but we know these are the hot stocks and we made some money. A very massive green day. But the important thing is, look at here, right? The shares short or outstanding share is very small, right? 8.86 million. It's a low float, right? It's a low float company, lots of volume coming. So what's the result? It will go up. In terms of volume, you can see that no volume here, right? No volume here. Suddenly today all the volume came. If I want to show you the volume today, you see that the average volume is 11 million and today's volume was 199 million, almost 200 million. So all volume came. Low float, so you know what can happen, right? So it moved a lot. In terms of the short interest, not very high, like 3.7%. Off exchange short interest 53%. But the fun thing is currently it has no shares available to short, right? So all the shares are there, have been used for shorting, right? So there is no shares available to short. Lots of volume coming, lots of excitement. So why not? I want to go back. I want to show you something. And I was talking with my Discord member. What do you think about the next INDO? And everyone said, okay, this is the one HUSA. So why I said, because last time we talked about Indo was $6, it went today at $86. Today, even this morning, we talked about it when it was around $45. Then it went all the way to 86, almost 50% move. So HUSA, this is the other one we have been talking about, right? So see how it happened today. We did it multiple times. So let's have a look on the chart. I want to zoom and I want to show you how we played this particular one and how we made money, right? So if you look here, right, in the pre-market, it gapped up, but it was moving within a channel, right? 3.3, that thing was acting like a support. If you ask me 3.3 how, it came from many previous month ago. So 3.3, it held it after the market opened, it dipped, then it started ripping up, right? So when it started going up, we were watching, right? So at this point you can see that the MACD on a 5-minute chart is going higher, more buying pressure is coming. So you can always enter at 3.3 based on our suggested entry, or when you see it broke the pre-market high, then you enter, right? With lots of volume, MACD getting green, all looking good, right? So it made a nice move to 5.5, came down to 4.5, made it a support, and again started pushing, right? Then it break 5.9. some people who missed the morning, then we entered again at this point, because you see here it was trying to have a hard time breaking 5.3. So once with lots of volume it broke 5.3, we entered again, right? And you can play the same stock multiple times. It went higher again, came down, it was the resistance here, so it made the resistance as a new support again. From 8.1 it pushed one more time all the way to 13, 14. So very nice day, right? Still you can see how this thing is holding, right? So the resistance which was around 10, 10.1, it is still holding. So the is it over? I don't know, we have to see. But it moved like 400, 500%, so it might give a dip tomorrow, or who knows, it will just move. Look at ticker symbol INDO, look for ticker symbol MXC. Those things are monster, right? So it can be a possibility it might go back up. I'm just gonna draw, sorry. It might go back up, break through the resistance, or it might come here and then it will go back up. So many things can happen. So watch the chart, but again, if you miss the entry, you can always re-enter, right? Now let's look at a bigger picture, like how we came up with this support, resistance, those kind of thing. Okay, so it moved a lot here, right? But if you ask me how we knew about the support resistance, look here. So last time 3.312, two times it was a resistance. So we were thinking about some kind of resistance at 3.3. Then if you go up, you will see something is coming from 4.5. Then we go up, something coming from 5.9. So it came from many months ago. But I'm just trying to show you the big picture. I'm going to hide all the lines here, and I will go back to a 4-hour chart just to show you, right? So back in 2017, it went all the way to 13, 14, right? And you see today it reached at the same point. Most of the time it goes up, then comes down. It takes some like a scoop, right? So it works like this, but today was a special day, right? It moved all the way. So if I go out after 14, if you ask me, can it go even higher? Yes, why not? If there is lots of volume after 14, definitely we have some room all the way to 15.4. After 15.4, we have something around 19. Then we have something around 23. And I just want to show you the chart, right? It had some stock split at some point, but if you look at the big picture back in 2009, 2011, this thing was around 100, 150, 200. I'm not saying it will go from 11 all the way to 200, but I just want to show you the picture, right? So look at Indo, how it moved, right? From $6, Indo moved back all the way to 100. So showing you the possibility doesn't mean that it will go back up, right? It went all the way to 100. Look at MXC, see what happened. From $9 it reached almost $42. So there is no guarantee it will go up again, because it might give a dip, people might take profit. So you have to play watching the market pre-market, and also looking at the price action during the market hour. You can't just watch a YouTube video and you can say, okay, you said that and it didn't work. So make a plan and let's work on this. So before I close, let's have a quick look again, and then we can go from there. So I'm going back to a 5-minute chart again. So on a 5-minute chart, how things are shaping up, if you ask me. So it is making lower high. We have to see, can it hold this area? If it can hold, then again we might see another push. So I'm planning for making more videos on ticker symbol INDO, because you can see that today INDO moved 100%, IM, PP 90%, CEI 54%. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about these three particular stocks, so make sure you're subscribed and you are watching this particular video. I might also touch something on some other stock, but anyway, I'm so happy whoever made some money today. Congratulations. If you're not part of my community, the link is down below. Please join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, so that each morning you get the alert. Also, I come live only for the Discord member to talk about the stock and picks. And I'm very happy. For last few days, almost every day we are getting some big names and making consistent money even on a red market. So anyway, thank you for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.